In this video, we're going to show you how to add your website link and also how to add in another element that'll help your Squidoo lens gain a little more popularity. So what we're going to do is on the right hand side here, we're first going to add what's called an RSS widget. RSS stands for Real Simple Syndication. It's just a popular way for people to distribute content on the web. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take our blog. So if you're using a Blogger blog or a Wix blog, you're going to want to use this module, the RSS feed module. What this will do is this will feed in content from your own blog. Like we have a Blogger blog. So you're going to take your blog's RSS feed and you're going to put it into your Squidoo lens. So let's give our module a title here. So let's say the title of our blog is a good thing. So improve your golf score. If you were doing a blog or website around the beauty niche, improve your beauty, improve your acne, get rid of acne, whatever your blog name is, that would go here. So what you're going to do is go to your blog and you're going to look on the very bottom of your blog within Blogger and it's going to say Post Atom. Post Atom. So we're going to click on that and we're going to take this URL here, that's our RSS feed link, and we're going to go over to Squidoo and we're going to paste this link right on in here. Paste this link in here. How frequently should this module be updated? You could say every day, every other day, weekly. Just depends on how often you're going to be updating this. So let's just put in here every day and click on save. And there you go. So now you've got a nice clean looking widget there. We could also add in the RSS feed of another website. So let's go out here to Google and let's just go to Google blog search. So we'll go to google.com/blog search. Google.com/blog search, and let's just type in golf. And let's find a good golf blog. So let's go the Golf Channel. Looks like they have a good blog going. So we'll give it just a moment there. And what we want to look for is something related to like an RSS feed of some sort. So let's see, it doesn't look like they quite have that, and they're more of a website. So let's go back here and let's just type in golf blog. And again, you would type in something related to your niche market. And so we'll find here's one called the golf blog. And what you're going to look for is something that says RSS. It might be an orange button of some sort. You're going to see something that's going to represent like an RSS feed. So I'm going to just click on this, the RSS feed, and there it is. So we're just going to copy that link now into our RSS feed link here, and we're going to call this the golf blog because that's what it's called. And we could update this one every day as well and click on save. And so what that's going to do here is that's going to bring in, you've got your blog here, so people could click on this link here and it would take them over to your website. And then over here, people are going to click on this and they would go over to another related golf website. So it's just a really good module to add in here. So the final thing we want to do is we want to include a link that takes people either to our affiliate page, to our squeeze page, which is the best idea because you can capture their name and email, or you could send them to your free website, your Blogger blog, wherever you want to send them. So what you want to do is go to a website called quackit.com, QUACKIT.com. And if this site doesn't work, you could also go to Google and type in the phrase HTML link code, HTML link code. So you go to Google and just type in that phrase HTML link code. So if you go to quackit.com, you're going to be taken on their navigation on the left hand side. You're looking for HTML and you would just simply click on HTML link code. And we're going to highlight this code here, copy it, and we'll take it over to a notepad file. And what I'm going to do here is we're going to remove the text there that goes at the beginning there. And between the A, href equals, that's going to be your link. So this is just some basic HTML I'm teaching you. This is going to be the link to your website. So I'm going to take this right here. And I'm going to go back to the notepad file and I'm going to paste in my website link. So this could be your Wix link, your squeeze page link, your blog link, any number of links. And we're going to say the title of our website here. In this case, it's Improve Your Golf Score. If you're doing a beauty site, improve your golf, improve your complexion. If you're doing a site related to internet marketing, make more money online. Those types of keywords would go well there. Next thing you're going to do is take this keyword, take this content here, and hit copy. And we're going to go right on into our Squidoo lens here. And we are just going to place our cursor here to where we can paste this in. Okay, so we're going to go to the article here, and we're just going to plug in a link to our website right into the article there. So we're going to click on save and see how that looks. And you'll notice there is some spacing issues there, so we could just edit that real quick. Edit that, and we could take out the P because the P adds in a paragraph, so it's going to add in a space. You could actually just go here, and it's just a matter of playing around with it to see how it ends up looking. And let's say that we also want to make this bold. So if you want to make your link bold so it stands out more, you could use the following. So you would do, it's next to the letter M, you're going to use the shift key, and it's going to look like an arrow to the left. And you're going to type in the word strong, and then you'll do the shift key, arrow to the right. This arrow to the right key is directly next to the question mark key. And then we're going to go back to the end. We're going to put our cursor at the end here. We're going to do arrow to the left, / the phrase strong, arrow to the right, and then we'll just simply click on save, and now our link shows up a lot better. You will notice though that your scorecard will actually drop a little bit when you add in a link, so that's going to be up to you if you decide you want to, go with that or not. So now let's go ahead. It looks like we got a pretty decent lens here. Let's just click on publish and see how this lens turns out. Okay, so let's see. It says, hold up, the lens can't be published yet. And that's because they see, like low quality content. So what you can do is go back, and typically, like what we did, we pulled this article from an article site. So they do actually go out and they do scour. So if you see this message, that means that you need to go in and you need to tweak this just a little bit, on this page. They may not like the fact that you're linking somewhere, to start out with. So you could always go back in here, edit your link, and that's why it's good to use like the RSS link here as well. So let's just go in here and let's just clear out that link and see if that makes a difference. And notice our score did go up. We'll hit publish. And we'll take just a moment here. Okay, so just removing the link, that was the difference. So I wanted to show you how to add a link. It also is advisable to add your link in with the images where it says, where it actually gives you the chance to link up images that you add here. So you could actually add images to this that link to your affiliate pages and other things. Sometimes they aren't big fans of having links within the content right away. And that's why it's good to use the RSS module and have your links there as well. If you have improved content, they're also going to be okay about that as well. So you can just click here and click go see it. And this is going to take people, to take a look at your Squidoo lens. So in this case, we don't necessarily have 5 exercises to improve our golf swings. We may want to actually change that around a little bit. And this is what the lens ends up looking like. So it's actually coming together nicely. It looks sharp, looks clean. There's the article we took. There's our content from Amazon. We've got, more information. We've got our RSS feed showing up over here. So you can see here that this is a really good, clean looking Squidoo lens. You can now promote it by Twitter, by Facebook. You can kind of, play around with that. If you need to edit it more, you can go back to Squidoo and you can just click on your dashboard and it would take you directly in to edit your lens here that you have set up. So you go in here to where it says lenses. And inside here, you could go in here, we could edit this. And let's say we want to rename our lens up here, so edit the title. We're just going to call this exercises to improve your golf swing instead of 5 exercises. And we'll click on save. And then after you make any change, you can click on publish. and it's going to publish your Squidoo lens out there and onto the internet. The next thing you want to look at possibly working with is your lens bio. So you want to come over here to your lens bio, and this is where you would upload a picture of yourself from your computer. You can just click upload photo, and you could take a picture from your computer that you have of yourself. You could also, for now, we'll just upload this golf image here. And next thing you want to choose is a little bit about yourself. So I am a golf enthusiast and love helping people achieve success on the golf course. So a short little bio is always a good thing. So then we'll hit save on that, and then you could just hit publish. And again, that will publish those changes as well. So having the bio does help. You don't have to do that, but it does help a little bit. And again, as far as the content goes, you always want to be improving the content. You can add more modules here. And then eventually, once you start getting more traction, you could start using this to do more pure linking into your site. Notice by adding in my profile here, I actually improved my score as well. I went up from 75 up to 80. So now I have an 80 out of 100 here, and they seem to like the content that I have. They may not, sometimes it might be a link to Blogger they may not appreciate. So in that case, you could link to your Wix website. You could possibly try linking to your affiliate website to see if that works as well. But the key thing is settling on a good keyword, getting a lens published out there so that, people can find your content. Because notice right here on the RSS feed, we still have a link back to our website. You could actually put in your own videos onto Squidoo here, and you can actually link up any of these images. Like this image here is actually linked, if you click on it, going to a website that we specified. So you can actually specify a link to go to any of your websites as well as another possibility. So that's how you use Squidoo. There's a lot of possibilities with it. It's a really fun little tool to use. It's a great way to get your content out there and to get yourself noticed.